Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the website Stripe.com, and Stripe is a payment gateway that will allow vendors to take payments online using credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other payment systems. It's also a billing platform so that if you have subscription customers or customers for whom you require an invoice, you can use Stripe in order to contact them. In more complex uses, Stripe can be used in order to pay out to third parties also while being paid by others to fund certain activities. And the company is also in development working with vendors to be able to issue plastic cards with currency and credits. The company maintains compliance with all major regulations and at one time was the only major payment processor that took digital currencies such as Bitcoin. So in this course, we'll look at Stripe as a payment gateway in order to take payments for both digital and physical products that you might sell both in person and online. To do that, we'll be going inside of Stripe to look at the major systems that you'll be able to set up in order to use Stripe as your own payment gateway to take payments. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the first video.